Gang. Top of the morning, man. Hey, y'all, welcome back to the Street University. I'm Karnage Slaughter. Y'all hit that like button, stepping into the building. Let me get y'all introduction. You already know what's up, man.
Man, you bitch niggas better ante up or elevate. I need 6-figure money, won't hella bucks and hella cake. Fuck boy, I been on dummy, shooting hella ops, make them a day. If not him, then kill his mama, make him feel his wrath in the hella way. Hydro shocks, but his eye make through his chest, watch as they swim away. I don't stop shooting till you down in your last breath, and then I skid away. This a hollow tip.
Gang, what's poppin', man? It's a battle in itself. Trying to stay copacetic at the mind, right? It's a battle in itself, right? But anyway, what's going on, man? Before it's over, go hard. Go hard before it's all over with, man. That's why I say anyway. I say you want to go hard because look, gang, you don't want to just give in. You don't want to give in on you right around the corner. How y'all like my room? It's a little messy right now, but I'm picking everything. I pick everything up. Anyway, though, man, I love y'all. Y'all already know that. Your boy missed y'all, man. What is we talking about today? What we learning? Is it about the world that we live in? Is it about exercising? Is it about staying alive and well? Is it about any of those above, man? Hey, y'all, I'm finna quit smoking, man. It's time for me to quit smoking, man. Yes, it is. I'm talking about from cigarettes to Black and Miles to weed to blunts, whatever it is. It's time. It's time to give it up. And that's up close, personal with myself. At the end of the day, though, man, before it's all over with your life, man, go hard. Go hard or go home. A lot of people, they choose to go home. They don't want to go hard. They be scared to go hard. And I don't know why. When you got all these resources around you, every reason possible to go ham, you choose to go home like a peon. Johnny, what's wrong with you? You know what I'm saying? It's like this though, gang. You can really stay at it. You can go at it and then win. Most people don't want to win. Or is it that they don't know how to win? Most people don't know how to win, right? I think it's that they don't know how to win at the end of the day. When you want to win a position, you can't do nothing but win. But the thing is, getting in that position, knowing how to have somebody put you in that position, or knowing how to earn yourself that position again. I say for the most part, knowing how to earn yourself that position. Y'all be scared though out there, man. I seen so many scary Jerry buried ass niggas, gang. And my thing is this though, what the fuck you scared of? You hear me? What the fuck is you scared of? You scared of what? You hear me? What you scared of? You scared to go harder? You motherfuckers better start recognizing, gang, you only got one life to live. And this one life to live is no time to give up and be scared or don't go at all. You got to go. You got to keep punching. Fuck you talking about? We see some of the coldest people out there with some of the coldest talent. They give up. Why? I don't know. I think they don't be want to make it. I think they don't be, having it out for themselves that they can really do this and that. You know what I'm saying? I don't believe that, There's so many people out there with so much talent out here, man. And they don't be want to do nothing with it. So why the fuck? Forget my speech. Why are you still out here trying to, procrastinate? Yeah. And why is you still, promoting your talent? Why? You feel me? My thing is this: if you don't plan on getting it and making it and going nowhere, I hear so many niggas out here talking about what they plan on doing, what their main goal is, their primary goal is. Look, fuck all that. My main goal is to be rich, gang. My main goal is to be super rich and make sure everybody else around me rich, and make sure everybody else around me got a life, and make sure they know what they doing, make sure they eating correct, make sure they staying healthy, make sure they not fucking around in none of the wrong motherfucking endeavors out there, put it like that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't finna let my people go out here and fuck themselves off, man. I'm gonna have to be the lead for my people. I'm gonna have to be the motherfucker that lead my people the right way. Me personally, I'll be out there partying and none of that fuck shit. I'm at the crib. Blowing gas, you know what I'm saying? I'm ready to stop gas, recording, chopping it up with y'all. Shooting y'all the shit in my life. And hearing about y'all fucked up lives out there, you know what I'm saying? And trying to help y'all with that. So at the end of the day, that's what I'm about. I love a bit about that. And 24/7 I'm with my kids, man. I don't mind it. You know, I would do that daily too. I'm gonna throw that roach in my bone. Yeah, you soft ass niggas. Go ahead and say something. You soft ass niggas. I know it be some soft ass niggas who out there thinking they be doing the most. Oh, I'm blowing big bag. I'm blowing at the pound. Bitch ass nigga die. You know what I'm saying? You soft ass niggas gonna die. Chest gonna bust up. Blowing out the pound, dumb ass nigga. You ain't even supposed to be smoking that much, dickhead. You feel me? That's why I said I can't wait to leave this shit alone, gang. Be done so I can really exert my mind on you niggas. And that's gonna be real soon, gang. But anyway, you know, you better make sure you know what you're doing. Pay attention to your people. And watch your friends too, them fake ass niggas. Too many of y'all want to be friends with niggas. Y'all fake too. A lot of y'all be fake. Why you think you don't see me kicking it with nobody? You don't see me with a bunch of niggas. You don't see my niggas running up behind me. You don't see me, calling my niggas. No. Nigga, I always been a nigga that be alone, nigga. Let me tell you why, because I know how to align myself with what I need. Ain't nobody gonna align me with shit with what I need. And I know nigga out there know what, you feel me? Don't know nigga know Zoe. They don't know what Zoe need, you feel me? Like damn dad shit, nigga. I'd rather fight for the love. Fuck the money. Everybody will think I need some weed. Everybody will think you need some weed. Everybody will think you need this, that. No, nigga, love, loyalty, trustworthy people. You feel me? Instant peace. You feel me? Not none of this big and shit, quote unquote shit. Not none of this starvation shit going. You know what I'm saying? Like that take place out here. No, nigga. I need peace, space, opportunity, love, loyalty, motivation, all that shit. We sit back on the block. Our niggas in the block or on the block or in the hood don't give us that. Them niggas don't even motivate you to do nothing. You feel me? What nigga on your block motivated you ever to do something? Besides told you to go get a bag, you feel me? And stand on the block and sell that dope. Nobody. You don't get that no more. You don't get no realistic motherfuckers out here who really about family, who about growing a family, raising a family, teaching. You know what I'm saying? Correcting. They let you fuck your whole life off, gang. And I'm tired of that shit. And I'm tired of dealing with people like that, you know. I've been dealing with people like that all my life. You know what I'm saying? Fuck y'all at the end of the day. Hey, y'all hit that like button, too. Hit that motherfucker like button. Then I'm gonna turn that cash app on. Nigga. If you feeling generous, nigga, cash app at the bottom. You feel me? Stop playing with your boy. Yeah, I got a big cookie right there. I'm supposed to eat that. Wait on one of these kids get up so I can get to them. All right. End of the day, I love y'all. Stay safe. Stay out the way. I'll be back. You know that. Stop playing with your boy. You're been slap 5 from one of you motherfuckers. No, I'm fucking with y'all. I love y'all, gang. Y'all stay safe, man. Gang, what's up, man? This your boy, Karnage Slaughter, man. Welcome back to the Street University. I'd like to thank all y'all who came out, gave me a little bit of your time by coming to my channel. Both channels watching the video. I really appreciate y'all, man. And those of y'all that did not hit the subscribe button as you step in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Those of y'all that did not hit that like button as you step in or step out, you feel me? Make sure you hit that like button on the way out. Make sure my views match my likes, gang. So y'all can keep me in the algorithm and keep me moving and grooving, you feel me? How y'all have been doing, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all already know I love y'all. Without y'all, it wouldn't be me. So, man, I'm out.